We are in Olympic National Park. In our last video, we covered the Hoh Rainforest, Ruby Beach, the Kalaloch Coast, and our favorite campsite of the entire Pacific Northwest, so be sure to go back and watch if you missed it. In this episode, we explore the northern region from La Push to Cape Flattery, Waterfall trails, and saving the best for last, our favorite trail in all of Olympic National Park. La Push has three main beaches: First Beach, Second Beach, and Third Beach. Of the three beaches, First Beach is the only one that is dog-friendly and is accessible without a trail, which also makes it the most crowded of the three. With that being said, First Beach was our least favorite, but would be a good stop if your itinerary doesn't allow time for a trail. But Second and Third Beach are well worth the extra time and steps. I think it's noteworthy to mention that First, Second, and Third Beach in La Push can easily be confused with beaches 1, 2, and 3 on the Kalaloch Coast. If you only have time for one beach in the La Push area, we recommend Second Beach. The 2.2-mile out and back trail to access the beach makes for a more private and secluded experience, with all the wow factor of sea stacks and, of course, the arch. A 3.5-mile out and back trail takes you to Third Beach. It was the most private of the La Push beaches and features Strawberry Bay Falls on the south end, which falls right into the ocean, or onto the sand if you visit at low tide. The driftwood swings made the beach feel so magical, and for us was a highlight of this stop.
I have seen it all in paper dreams. I watched it unfold on the screen, but I never understood. I've heard you speak a million words. Now you're talking to me first. I never thought you would. Oh my, you just took me by surprise, and I can't believe my eyes. Oh, I must be seeing blind. Oh no, you're too good to be all mine. Now I'm looking in your eyes. Oh, I must be seeing blind. I was young, my heart was always on the run, but you make love and fun. I never knew it could be. Hey, I see you from a different point of view. Feels too good to be true. I found my missing piece. Oh my, you just took me by surprise, and I can't believe my eyes.
The Cape Flattery Trail is one of the few dog-friendly trails in Olympic National Park. It is an easy 1.3 mile out and back trail with charming boardwalks that lead you through a misty forest to multiple viewpoints of jade-colored waters along dramatic sea cliffs. As spectacular as the scenery is, the highlight of the trail is its destination, the most northwestern point on the contiguous United States. Standing at the edge of a country, surrounded by the rocky coastline, makes this trail an experience you won't forget.
You just took me by surprise, and I can't believe my eyes.
We are 8 minutes away from our campsite, and a big tree fell across Highway 101. They said it's going to be an 8-hour job to move the tree. We're going to see if we can back up along the 101 to turn around the other way. Otherwise, we'll be sitting here for 8 hours.
After the rest of the cars turned around, with our trailer in tow, Rory was able to back up along the 101 to a turnout, where he turned us around with the help of a Good Samaritan whose spotting skills turned out to be superior to mine. An easy 1.8 mile out and back trail takes you to the stunning Duc Falls. In our experience, this was one of the most crowded trails, with sections where you feel like ants in line. But we did go during the peak hours of the day. Even so, parking was not a problem. The lot was full, but there was plenty of parking along the road shoulder if you don't mind the extra walk. And even with the crowds, in our opinion, Duc Falls are worth seeing. Marymere Falls was another very crowded trail, and parking here was a problem. Again, we went during peak hours, so I'd recommend going in the morning. It was beautiful, and we're glad we went. But if your itinerary only has time for one waterfall trail, our choice would be Duc Falls.
Tell me, what do they see when they look at me? If they see the world, another girl, then hey, I'm failing. I could say what they wanna hear, so pleasing, but oh dear, that sword won't pierce closed ears. If words are dull, that is no favor. There's something out there calling. Someone's asking, will you run away or follow me? The fence I'm on is falling. For the first time I won't run away, I'm following. Help me keep my eyes on you. Tell me, what would you do? I'm going somewhere new with shoes of peace, but it's not easy. How do I know if I'm doing it right? All I know is I just have one life, and I'm trying to be a light and a lion.
Almost there. Almost to the peak. We ascended from base camp.
We're running out of oxygen.
I'm sitting alone again. I guess I'm not supposed to call this home. No, I'm a stranger. Sometimes I start to doubt, dwell on the here and now. I'm human, might as well enjoy this town and move on later. But something out there calls me. Someone's asking, will you run away or fall?
By unanimous decision, Hurricane Ridge was the family favorite trail of Olympic National Park. The Hurricane Hill Trail is 3.5 miles out and back if you start from the trailhead. We arrived at 9:30 and the trailhead lot was full, so we parked in the Cirque Rim trailhead lot. Keep in mind, this adds 3 miles to your hike, making it 6.5 miles. So if you don't have time in your day for the extra miles, make it a priority to get here early.
Everything I built myself, you can tear it down. No, I don't want it. If you tell me to go, I'll go. And if you stay, I'll stay. When you say, will you follow me? I'm following. Help me keep my eyes on you. Tell me, what would you do? I'm going somewhere new with shoes of peace, but it's not easy. How do I know if I'm doing it right? All I know is I just have one life, and I'm trying to be a light and a lion. All I know is I just have one life to be a